If your Nest thermostat is blinking a green light and not responding properly, this is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's related to low or insufficient battery power. This problem usually happens with Nest thermostats that don't have a C-wire connected. Without a constant power source, the internal battery drains quickly. When the battery gets too low, the thermostat starts blinking green to let you know something isn't right. Let's walk through the fixes step by step. Before touching the thermostat itself, head over to your circuit breaker or furnace switch and make sure power to your HVAC system is turned on. Now, to reset the system, turn the breaker or furnace switch off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reset can sometimes restore power and stop the blinking light. If that doesn't work, the display may not be making proper contact with the base. Carefully pull the thermostat display straight off the wall, then press it firmly back onto the base. You should feel or hear a click, which confirms it's seated correctly. If the green light is still blinking, it's time to charge the battery directly. Remove the thermostat from the wall and charge it using a wall charger, not a computer USB port. Use micro USB for older Nest models. Use USB-C for the 4th generation Nest. Let it charge for at least 2 to 3 hours. After charging, place it back on the wall. The screen should light up with a message once it has enough power. If the issue of blinking green light comes back after a few hours or a few days, the internal battery is likely worn out. In that case, replacing the battery is the solution. However, for a long-term fix to prevent this happening again, Nest thermostats work best with a C-wire connected, which provides continuous power. If running a C-wire isn't possible, you can install a Nest power connector instead. This gives your thermostat a stable power source and helps eliminate battery-related problems completely. Check out expert tutorials on YouTube how to install it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech troubleshooting guides.